Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, let's have a look on the nudge tool. A nudge brush is basically, again, it falls in the category of the grab brushes. Okay, so you could see the brush colors are yellow coded, and I would like to first go with the snake hook and then show you what is happening here with the snake hook. And then when I choose the nudge tool, okay, and then just click and drag it, I'll increase the strength for better visibility, and I'm just trying to move the cursor over the model, and you should be able to see that model is getting that smearing effect over the model. Okay, so nudge is basically very much similar to the snake hook, but it only moves the vertices on the tangent. Okay, I mean, it doesn't unlike your snake hook, it goes outside the model, but nudge does not go that way. It moves the vertices on the surface only, and you could generally have a look on the flow. You should be able to see that sort of smearing effect happening there with this nudge tool. Okay, so I press Ctrl 3 to make it smooth, and then you should be able to see that nice effect happening over the model. Okay, this can be again useful when you want to get that nice paint smear effect or anything like this. Okay, so again, just for detailing purposes, you can use it in terms of surface relief is concerned. If not, for sculpting, it's not a great tool. Okay.